Moving on the next topic, we are having algebra of continuous functions. Now what you have done in class 11th, you have gone through the concept for algebra of limits. Okay, similarly just going with that limits only, because without limits, left hand limit, right hand limit, we can't prove the continuation. Okay, so moving with that parts, algebra of the limits, now we are going for the algebra of the continuous functions. Okay, so let's discuss a theorem. Number one. Now theorem 1 says what? Suppose f and g be two real functions. F and g be the two real functions continuous at a real number c. Okay, we have theorem 1. Suppose f and g be the two real functions continuous at a real number c. They are continuous at c. Then what the conditions arises? Then number 1, f plus g is continuous at x is equal to c. First condition. Number 2, f minus g is continuous at x is equal to c. Number 3, f multiplied by g, two functions when they are in the multiplied, is continuous at x is equal to c. And fourth part, f upon g is continuous at x is equal to c, and where gc should not equal to 0. Otherwise, when gc will become 0, the function will be undefined. Okay, so now let's prove the first part. Now what this says, they says when we are adding, when one function is continuous, second function is continuous, it's alright. Now if we are adding them and we have to prove that they are continuous, then they are continuous. Okay, now prove. Now what we are going to prove? Continuity of f plus g at x is equal to c. First part, f plus g. Now let's prove the continuity of f plus g at x is equal to c. Okay, so when defined at x is equal to c, then now when defined at x is equal to c, already we are given that the function is defined. So continuity of f plus g at x equal to c, when defined at x equal to c, then what we can write it? Then what we can write it? Then we can write it limit x approaches to c, f plus g of x is equal to limit x approaches to c, fc plus gc. Okay, first step, how it comes? By definition of addition, by the definition of addition of two functions. Okay, now applying the limits, what we are getting? When we are applying the limits, we are having limit x approaches to c fx plus limit x approaches to c gx. Okay, now earlier it was that when it is defined at c, then we can write this part. When we are applying the limits, then we can write like this, by theorem on limits. Okay, now to this part, what we can write it? When limit x approaches to c and fx in place of x, it will be c. So we are having FC plus GC. Okay, why? Because F and G are continuous. Okay, to this part further what we can write it? F plus G with C. Okay, so this is proved, first part is proved. Similarly, we can move with the other parts for similarly same process for this and for this. Okay, very simple proof.